In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your storage on ClickUp. So usually, depending on your plan, ClickUp will always allocate you storage device for your data and files, and it is always good to check and to know the amount of space you have on your ClickUp account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, go to your workspace and then click on your workspace name up here and then choose settings. Now from settings, go to upgrade, and this will highlight the plans that you have, and under upgrade to unleash everything here. For my case, I'm using a free account. You will see here your workspace is currently on free forever plan. You have used 42 out of 100 MBs. So that's how you can check your storage on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.